Hi. So in this video, we are trying to understand the logical operator. Those logical operators are and or, which is or. So if I have two things to compare, if whether whether true, var car true, if weather is good, if it is true, and if I have a car, then I'm going to travel. I'm traveling. If weather is good but I don't have a car, then I'll say sit. I will sit. I will go park. And if weather is bad and weather is not good, it's not true, and a car is not there, which is car is also false. If weather is bad, then I'm going to say console.log. I will sleep. So this is a logical operation which I am doing with the weather and car, and in here we can see the nested if else statements. So we can write all this logic using a logical operator. So for the time being, I'll just validate. I'm traveling, and now I weather is good, but I don't have a car. Then I will go to the park. But if weather entirely it is fall, it is bad for me, then I will sleep. So now how to do all this with the logical operator instead of having a nested if else. If weather is true and I have a car, then I'm doing this. Else if weather is good but I don't have a car, I'll go to the park. Else I will sleep. So this is how we can change if else with the help of logical operator. So we'll just validate whether is for bad, I'll sleep. Weather is good and but weather is good but I don't have a car, then I'll go to park. And if I'm have a car and weather is good for me, both of them are true, then I'm traveling. So this is how we can change with the help of the operators. So these operators can be used to have the shorthands as well. As an example, I create a function display name and I'll say var name equal to name. Instead of name, just to avoid confusion, I'll say n is equal to name, or name is not present, then it should be Ishan. Then I'll return n. So I'll just invoke this function display, and I'll console out .log. It says Ishan. What if I provide an input saying Neelam? In that case, it says Ishan. Ishan is getting printed because of this. I haven't provided any input, and Neelam is printed because I provided an input, and that's why in here what it does, this value takes a input if it is provided. If it is null, then it is going to take the Ishan as an input. So this is a way we can use shorthand in the variables. We can also use in the function as well. Let's take an example. I want to say if name is provided, then call the display function name, and I'll create var name equal to Tom, name 1. I'll just give it name 1. So then it will call display function name 1. So it will call display function. So how do we do this one? We'll invoke this one. We'll say in here, I'm just going to specify console dot log, and I'll just comment this one. So we have a function. If it is I'm providing name, it is should print Tom. So in here it is printing Tom. So what is the shorthand for this one? The shorthand will be, if it has a name 1, then print the display function name 1. So this is a shorthand of this one. And in here it says name 1. Let's take an example. If I don't provide any name, then what it does, it will not invoke, because this becomes false. This is a null. It is undefined. So a display function is never being called. What if I say OR operation? Then it invokes the function even though the name is not defined. So this is how we can use a logical operator for variables and the function shorthand also. So yeah, This is a short video. Thank you.